Welcome all of you in SST College Arts Commerce Ullasnagar. This is SST Udipedia. I myself Dr. Zadevanel presenting copyright. It is prescribed for SYBA MMC semester 3rd. My dear students, when you talk about a copyright, just a question arises in your mind that what do you mean by copyright? What is copyright? Okay, so what is copy? So at first we have to understand what is copy. So copy means any written bundle. Okay, in a written document. Okay, written document is known as copy. And when these written documents, okay, we read, that is called copy. So under these copy, so there is not only the what do you call message, report, or any what you call news. Apart from this, there are also some things are there. For example, just I am prescribing you in next slide. Now see here. At first we have to see definition. Okay, after seeing definition, in this definition only there are all things are okay prescribed. For my dear students, see here. So copyright is a bundle of rights given by the law to the creators of literary, dramatic, and artistic works and the producers of cinematography, films, and sound recording. See, this only this definition compiles all things about Copyright Act. See, dear students, copyright is a bundle of rights given by the law to the creators of literary, dramatic, and artistic works and the producers of cinematography, films, and sound record. My dear students, see here. What is the creative works? That creative works is related to the literature. That creative work is related to the dramas. That creative work is related to the arts work, artist works. That creative work is related to the sound. That creative work is related to the music also. Okay, so all these things are compiled under copy. Okay, under own creativity. So there is what you call copyright for these creative work. So same copy another person cannot use same to same these things. So there is what you call these things are the owner of their own persons whom they created for the society or for themselves or for the governments. So who is the creator of that work? That is called copy, and this copy is right for his or her right. So against this there are become some acts. So which are those? Now see which work come under this copyright. Now dear students, see here the types of works protected under Copyright Act. See, first, literary works. In literary works there is dramas also there, novel also there, poem also there. Okay, so these compares. Okay, these include in literature. So whatever the novel is there, what is the poem is there. Okay, so these are the works of creativity of authors. So this type of other person cannot write the same things because this is the right of that particular authors. So that's why that literary work is come under a copyright. Next one, dramatic works are there. Okay, when that drama is okay presented on the stage, at that time these things should be come into consideration. That same situations, same incidents, okay, same thing should not be happen in another dramas. Same dialogue should not be happen in another dramas because that things are the owner of particular authors. So to do that things, that other person take the what you call permission from that dramas, then and then there is not the what you call copyright against the acts. Okay, then musical things are also there. Okay, there's some classical music is there. Okay, now there is a new musicals things are happening nowadays also. What you call, okay, these things are come under also in copyright. Okay, so this music, how to produce music. Okay, So what is the what you call rising tone, falling tone? All these come under in musics. Okay. So these how to, for example, see here is a for example, if for for a sing for one song, what type of music should be give a musical director? So what type of music should be given to the particular song? That is the creativity of musical director. So there are many more famous musical directors, okay, in our India. So same copy should not be used by the other another music directors. So there is a copyright against that things. Now another thing, artistic works are there. In artistic works, which works are come under? That is pictures, okay. What picture? Sketches, okay. So these works also come under in copyright. uh, Now see, another is anonymous and pseudonyms work. So what do you mean by anonymous and pseudonyms? Some works are there which are nameless, okay. The novels or dramas which are written without name of the author, that is known as anonymous and synonymous works. But there is a copyright on that particular work. Then whose copyrights are there? There is a copyright of government, okay, that particular nation's government. So that particular nation's government should be give the permission to the other person to copy the same things. That's why these anonymous and pseudonyms works come under in copyright. So in anonymous and pseudonyms works, they maybe the literary works may be there, dramatic work may be there, musical works may be there, and artistic work may be there. How these things here now? In India there are many more caves are there. In the caves there are statues are there. So this type of statue should not be copied to the another nation. I think when you enter in the cave, in the corner there will be there will be messages. The message will be there. Don't take photos. Okay, this thing indicates that same thing should not be copied to the another nations. Why? Because our, okay, there is a copyright act of the government on the particular national works. So now last one is there now, posthumous works. Then what is mean by posthumous work? For example, see here, if the writer or dramatist or musical director or artists, they completed their work and just unfortunately they died. So after the death, that particular book, particular drama will be published. That is known as posthumous work. So the books which is published after the death of the author, that is known as posthumous work. So there is also a copyright on these works. That copyright goes to the family. After family, automatically come under government. So another also some works are there, that is cinematography films. Okay, so this is I do not talk more about the cinematography of the films, because many more you are watching the films. Different type of films are there. Maybe the heroic films are there, maybe the love films are there, maybe the nature films are there. So these come under cinematography. So what type of scene is taken in the film, okay, that same thing should not be used in another film. That is called cinematography. Okay, so this is also a copyright of the particular directors. There's sound recording, then government's works are there, okay, then public undertaking works are there, then international agencies are there, photographs are there. So which things come under the international agencies? There is a one concept is there, you might have listened that, brain drain. Brain means this mind, okay. Drain means goes slowly, okay, go slowly. So brain drain concept is related with the international agencies. These international agency, okay, do the work of brain drain. How this is thing, how these things are there? Now if the qualified person get a good job in abroad, and with the help of international agencies he or she gets job in abroad. So this is the work of international agencies. So whatever the facilities is given by the agencies to the our highly qualified persons to help him. Okay, these agencies help to the that educated person to go in abroad and do employment work. Okay, do employment there. So these object their international agencies objectives, then their what you call aims should not be okay used by the another agencies. That's why on that international agencies their objectives and aims are the rights, copyrights of that particular agencies. Now photographs are also there, come under the copyrights. Okay, so all these things are come under copyrights. But one thing is here now, in next slide I want to see. Okay, I want to tell you that lifetime of the author plus 60 years from beginning of the calendar years following the author dies. What I am written in these two lines, lifetime of the authors plus 60 years from beginning of the calendar year following the authors. Now see here, my dear students, when author written the book or produce drama or all things, these are the what I have told you before. So on that work the author's lifetime copyright is there. Okay, copyright will be there. But after the death of author, 60 years from the beginning of calendar years following the author's dies. Okay, see, after the death of author, his families or her families, okay, write on that particular work. How much years? 60 years. Okay, then after 60 years that particular work goes under government act. So there is, after 60 years there will be the right of government only. So see, so in this lecture we have seen that the copyright, okay, protection of copyright under the laws. Now this I think, okay, this is enough for today's lecture. In next lecture we will see. Okay, thank you all of you.